My name is Ed Kopek from Edwards Garden Center. I think you'll find it's a little piece of paradise in the tiny town of 44, Pennsylvania. It really started out with the $250 pickup truck back in the mid-70s. Just started as a very small business with myself and 2 or 3 crew members. Learned the business through the School of Hard Knocks and developed it into what it is today. In the garden center, anything that you can imagine that you might need as a homeowner to put a landscape together is here.
We have all the right people. If you added up all of our experience from our employees, we probably have almost 200 years experience.
We'd like to feel that we are a family here, and that when you come here, we're going to know you by first name.
We also have a design program called We Plan, You Plant.
Basically a program for do-it-yourselfers.
We're going to help you design your garden and make it your own.
We'll go over the plan, we'll go over the pricing, walk you through the garden center. As long as you can dig a hole, we do the plan, and you get a professional job just doing it yourself.
I've heard a lot of parents say that our child wants to go to the Edwards Zoo.
The kids are starting as soon as they walk in for the scavenger hunt.
We've got 30 animals here, our pets. We've got goats, bunnies, ferrets, pheasants, ducks, iguanas, tortoise.
It is a family environment. Around 4 o'clock, you'll know that when you see all the kids getting out of school and coming here with parents and walking through.
We had over 4,000 children through last year. We've got an area called the Home of Gnomes. We've got an outdoor railroad, which is kind of neat. An old antique shed.
But it is more like a retreat. At night when I'm here and I'm closing up, you see families coming in, just walking around, sitting in the Home of Gnomes on the swing there and looking at the animals.
People come in, they walk out with a smile on their face because they're getting something new and beautiful in their home.
Because I don't think there's anything in like a 50-mile radius that you could find like this gem. It's just a wonderful place to come.
Edwards Garden Center is a place where you can just chill out, relax. If you feel stress in your life, this is a place where you could really go to de-stress.